Hi everyone, Mike Sherry with Paul Sherry Used Cars. I just got done driving. Now I'm going to be reviewing this 2019 Ram Bighorn. So interior wise looks really good. Pretty much a brand new truck, 2019, with 42,185 miles on it. Really a well equipped pickup truck as well. Power windows, power locks. Does have the folding mirrors that are power. Great if you park in the street or if you got a tighter garage. Even parking lots, it's nice to have so people don't rip off your mirrors. Automatic headlights, power adjusting foot pedals. That's your brake and gas pedals. So if you're taller or shorter, you can adjust them to your appropriate height. On the dash itself, not a single warning light or check engine light, nothing like that on. Hands-free connectivity, so you can talk on your phone through this car's speaker system. Also has cruise control and gearing selector here on the steering wheel. This is a four-wheel drive Ram 1500. You can select what mode you want it to do right there, right next to your shifter. Push button start. Has the 8.4-inch touchscreen radio that's going to have AM, FM, and Sirius radio. Now this is a Chrysler certified pre-owned vehicle, so it comes with 3 months free of that Sirius radio. Now there's connectivity through USB and Bluetooth for your phone, and do have the backup camera on here. Shows a really nice colored view on this big screen while you're backing up. And then over here, just get into some settings type stuff so you can adjust, how it beeps and stuff when you hit the keyless entry. Heating and air conditioning controls down here. It does have the tow haul mode. Does have the CD player down here, and there's your USB hookups and auxiliary port for your cell phone. Speaking of cell phone, it's got the cell phone holder right there. You can fit 2, 3 depending how big your phones are. A couple beverage holders here. The change dispenser does have keyless entry with remote start. Huge glove compartment in these Rams. See the USB right there. Overall, super clean interior, not a weird smell. A lot of times I get in vehicles and they either don't smell or they got a bad smell. This one has a pleasant smell. I don't know if it's lavender or what, but it smells really nice. It scores really well. In the history report, you can see it scores top of its class, 95. It is a one owner, never been in a wreck or accident. Overall, every time I get in one of these newer body style Rams, notice the power window back there. Every time I get in and just sit down and start driving one, I just get like a sense of relief. You have a chair or something that you sit in and you just get a sense of relief when you get in. That's what I feel like in these Rams. They're super comfortable to drive. They're really quiet and going down the road. You can hear yourself think, which is kind of odd. But overall, really nice driving vehicle. Does have brand new tires on it. It is the Bighorn, so you're going to get the painted front end grille up here. Does have the Hemi in it as well, the 5.7 liter V8 Hemi, which is the preferred engine. 20-inch chrome wheels wrapped in brand new Bridgestone rubber. Chrome running boards here that someone's added. This is a certified pre-owned vehicle by Chrysler, so it comes with the 7-year, 100,000-mile warranty. Has the Ram slush match in the back and the front. You can see with the seats up how much cargo you get. You put the seats down, you just simply pull on them and down they come. Seat belts for 3 back here in the best-in-class cargo foot room back here. Gas fill on this side. Bed looks really clean. Does have a tonneau cover on there. We call it the Tonneau Pro. It looks nice and clean. Does have, show you here, spray-in bed liner here by Line-X. So your bed is protected and it looks good back there. Dual exhaust back here. Does have your 2-inch receiver for towing and your appropriate wiring all from the factory, both 4-pin and 7-pin. So your 7-pin is going to be, a lot of trailers out there with electronic brakes. And then the 4-pin's more of your little utility trailer. Passenger side looks really clean as well. This goes through a 125-point inspection, both inside, outside, appearance-wise, and mechanically, in order to qualify for that Chrysler Certified Pre-Owned vehicle. So you get like new vehicle for really $thousands less than what a new one costs. You get a better powertrain warranty than what the new ones come with, and it's just overall a great deal, great running truck. If this is on your list, definitely give us a holler. I'll put our contact information below if you need any more information. We'd love an opportunity to earn your business on this. Financing is available. There'll be a link below. You can get started on that. And we'd love to have an opportunity to make an offer on your trade. There's a link below to get started on that. So we try to make it easy, and these videos are part of that process. So we hope you found this helpful, and we hope to see you soon.